Hi, my name is Tamara and this is Habla. In this video, I'm going to teach you the very basics of a conversation in Spanish. So when you meet a native Spanish speaker, you can introduce yourself in Spanish and make them think you actually speak the language. Let's start by saying, hello, what's your name? Hola, ¿cómo te llamas? Hola, ¿cómo te llamas? My name is Tamara. Me llamo Tamara. Me llamo Tamara. Now let's see how this works in a real conversation. Hola, ¿cómo te llamas? Me llamo María. ¿Y tú? Yo me llamo Diego. Encantado. Igualmente. Encantada. Nice to meet you. Encantado. Encantada. In masculine, encantado, with an O at the end. And in feminine, encantada, with an A at the end. And now, to give a little more information when we are introducing ourselves in Spanish, let's learn how to say, where are you from? ¿De dónde eres? ¿De dónde eres? Let's take a look at this world map and learn the names of some countries in Spanish. We'll start by my country, Spain. España. And now how to say I'm Spanish in Spanish. Español. Española. Masculine, español. Feminine, española. France. Francia. Francés. Francesa. Italy. Italia. Italiano. Italiana. China. China. Chino. China. Now let's move to the other side of the ocean. The United States. Estados Unidos. And people from the United States are estadounidenses. That might be a little hard to pronounce. You can also say americano, americana, American. Argentina, Argentina, argentino, Argentina. I think this is enough for now. If I didn't mention your country, you can tell me about it in the comments and I will help you translate it into Spanish. Now let's go back to the conversation. Hola, ¿cómo te llamas? Me llamo María. ¿Y tú? Yo me llamo Diego. Encantado. Igualmente, encantada. ¿De dónde eres? Soy española, de Madrid. ¿Y tú? ¿De dónde eres? Yo soy argentino, de Buenos Aires. See, most of the words ending in A are feminine. Encantada, española, when we talk about María. And most of the words finishing with an O are masculine. When we talk about Diego, encantado, argentino. Even their names, María, Diego. Of course, there are many exceptions, especially in masculine, but I think for now, you're safe applying this rule. We started the conversation with hola, hello. Now let's see some other ways to greet someone. Por la mañana, in the morning. Buenos días, good morning. Por la tarde, in the afternoon. Buenas tardes, good afternoon. Por la noche, in the evening. Buenas noches, good evening. Buenas noches also goes for good night. Buenos días, buenas tardes, buenas noches. And if you're not sure if it's still the morning or already the afternoon, at any point of the day, you can just say buenas. And now, the goodbyes. The most common way to say goodbye is adiós. But there are other ways to say it. And hasta la vista is not one of them. I made a video about this. You should check it out. Now here are some other expressions that we do use. Hasta luego. See you later. Hasta mañana. See you tomorrow. Hasta pronto. See you soon. Hasta luego. Hasta mañana. Hasta pronto. There you go. You can now introduce yourself in Spanish and greet people in different ways. Now, if you want to learn more, I made a full course for beginners where I explain this and a lot more in detail. You can find the link in the description. I hope you liked this video and that I will see you very soon in the next one. Hasta pronto!